अस्सलाम वालेकुम एंड वेलकम बैक टू द ब्लैक बियर्ड इंग्लिश लिंग्विस्टिक एंड लिटरेचर। उम्मीद आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज हम एक नए लेक्चर के साथ हाजिर हुए हैं। टुडेस लेक्चर इज़ गोइंग टू बी ए स्पेशल tip for those people who want to enhance their knowledge in spoken English. And this is going to be a secret for those people. So today we are going to learn about linking. Linking is how sound flow together in spoken English. So this is basically about the flow of sound. Linking is not about speaking fast, like if you are speaking fast, that is not linking. It is to speak in proper flow. So the speech in which we have a flow is called linking. So we are learning about that today. Uh, the spoken English is a little bit different from our written English, as in which we have wider spaces and we can have a certain differentiation between what is going on. So we have clear spaces between word and we can write clearly. But here when we talk about spoken English, then we use need to differentiate about those spaces to the flow of language. सो हम जब रिटन इंग्लिश में हम बात करें रिटन इंग्लिश के हवाले से, तो उसमें हमारे पास एक प्रॉपर सिनेरियो होता है। हम स्टॉप्स लेते हैं, हम फुल स्टॉप्स लगाते हैं, हम ब्रेक्स लेते हैं। बट इफ़ वी टॉक अबाउट स्पोकन इंग्लिश, तो स्पोकन इंग्लिश में एक फ्लो होता है, हम वर्ड्स को जोड़ के बोलते हैं। सो इन इंग्लिश वी हैव अ पैटर्न as how sound join together, and that creates a flow, and that flow is known as linking, which I'm going to teach you today. Now, in order to understand these patterns, we should know how a sound ends and how next sound start from the next word. So ending sound of one word and beginning sound of other word, so they are combined. We will talking about a three linking pattern. These There is three different patterns that we can use in order to create linking in certain word, and that manages our flow in spoken English. So first of all, we have consonants to vowel. Consonants with vowel. So first pattern of linking is of consonant sound and of vowel sound. Like one word is ending at consonant sound, and the other word begins with a vowel sound. Then the next we have vowel sound to vowel sound. The one word ending with the vowel sound, and the next word beginning with the vowel sound. So there is the second pattern of linking that we are going to study. Last but not least, we have a consonant to consonant linking. So this is the third pattern, and that we're going to study. So one word is ending with consonant sound, and other is starting with a consonant sound. So here we are talking about three patterns. So we talk about linking. It is not speaking fast, like only sounding natural, by talking that how sound flow from an word to the next. So we talk about linking, we see that it impacts the rhythm and music of the language, because we don't have music in the language, so we need to create one. हमें म्यूज़िक की ज़रूरत है, हमें एक रिदम की ज़रूरत है, वही रिदम जो नेटिव्स में होता है। और यही आज के लेक्चर का सीक्रेट है कि हम लैंग्वेज में वो रिदम पैदा नहीं कर सकते हो, एंड दैट्स वाई वी कैन नॉट अंडरस्टैंड द नेटिव्स. So we need to add rhythm and music to our speech and flow we are using in that. So that flow matters and makes it natural, like the native English. So let's look into linking of consonant into vowel sound first of all. So here we are going to learn about. So here we have ending consonant that is jump over the beginning vowel sound, that is obviously of the next word. So consonant jumps over that is first word to the next word, vowel sound. For example, this is in front of you. Does it? We probably say does it. So हम normally कह देते हैं does it. but native says does it, does it. तो आपने जो कंसोनेंट साउंड है फर्स्ट, उसकी लास्ट साउंड को आने वाले वर्ड की वाउल साउंड के साथ मिक्स कर देना है, जैसे कि डज इट. सो नेक्स्ट वी हैव मेक है, मेक है, मेक ए, we normally say that does it make a sense. So that changes into make. So it doesn't make a sense, like think it does, I think it does. So reading them or spelling them together, does it make a sense? Like, does it make a sense? I think it does. I think it does. So I used flow in does it, make a, and think it, think it. Now we have a kind of, or kind it, or light it. So next we have like it. So we will mix the sound to the coming word like it, like it. Next we have own a. So we will pronounce it while using linking owner, owner. So could you hold on a minute? Could you hold on a minute? So it would be a right pronunciation of the sentence with linking. Next, we have vowel to vowel linking. It's mean that first word is ending with the vowel sound, and second word is also starting with the vowel sound. So we will mix up both of the ending and starting sounds. We have go over. So we will pronounce it go over, go over. We will put a little W sound and will glide the vowel sound. Then we will pronounce go over. Next we have the option, the option. So we will pronounce it the option, the option. We will pronounce a little y sound in it. हम इसमें थोड़ी सी ये की जो है साउंड थोड़ा सा टेस्ट दे देंगे. The option. सो नेक्स्ट वर्ड जो है हमारे पास है, ये सेंटेंस है. वी विल ट्राई टू प्रोनाउंस इट. लेट्स गो ओवर द ऑप्शन, लेट्स गो ओवर द ऑप्शन. So you will have to take care of all these things while pronouncing in English, while speaking English. Next we have so I. Normally हम कहते हैं so I, but what the natives do, natives pronounce so I, so I. So they will mix a vowel sound in it, a W sound in it. Next we have stain, stayin, stayin. So again हम यहाँ पे थोड़ी Y के साउंड को ये के साउंड को मिक्स अप कर देंगे. So I stay in, so I stay in. So this would be the right pronunciation of the sentence. हम साथ sentences भी यूज़ करें ताकि आपको अच्छी तरह से समझ आ जाए. Next, consonant to consonant. In this, we make a flow of first word is ending with the consonant, second is beginning with the same consonant sound. So first of all we have feel like. So इस रूल में क्या होगा कि we will pronounce it like a little bit longer, like feel like, feel like, feel like, in this way, feel like. Next we have some more, some more, some more. So हम जो ई की साउंड है, अ की साउंड, उसको थोड़ा सा हटा देंगे एंड म की साउंड को हम मिक्स अप कर देंगे. some more, some more. I feel like I need some more juice. Next we have both things. बोथ थिंग्स हम नॉर्मली जो बोल रहे होते हैं अपने एक्सेंट में, उर्दू का या पंजाबी का एक्सेंट है उसमें मिक्सअप करके बोल रहे होते हैं. सो दैट वुड बी बोथ थिंग्स, both things. Next we have this Saturday. So in this we will mix up s sound, the Saturday, the Saturday. Next we have a sentence. I want both things this Saturday, I want both things this Saturday. So this is the right pronunciation, this is the flow, this is the soul of English that you need to put it in your spoken English if you want to pronounce like a native. So again we have she is single, she is single, she is single. तो हम यहाँ पे भी जो स का साउंड है उसको मिक्स अप कर देंगे और सिंगल साउंड निकालने की कोशिश करेंगे. शी इज सिंगल. हैव फन, have fun, we pronounce it normally like that, have fun. तो बट इसमें क्या होगा कि हम प्रोनाउंस करते वक्त हैव को जो व साउंड है उसको स्किप कर देंगे एंड वी विल मिक्स अप इट विद फर्स्ट साउंड. हैव फन, हैव फन. So this is our linkings lecture. हमने आज लिंकिंग के बारे में पढ़ा. You will have to make a practice of it, and you need to use these sentences, use this word in your spoken English in your day-to-day conversation, and you will have to make practice of it day by day. So if you find it beneficial for you, please subscribe our channel and share it with your friends, and suggest us in your comment section, our comment section, and please click on the bell icon. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.